Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming on September 11th. This is going to be at KW Fort Worth, but it is going to be open to everyone. So anyone can attend in person, anyone can attend via Zoom. And what we're going to be doing on that day is get on the first page of Google in a matter of days. This is a 2-hour CE certified course here in the state of Texas that is going to show you all of the techniques that you need to apply with Google MyMaps. They're going to be very, very effective from an SEO point of view, from a point of view of showcasing all of the homes that you've ever sold or all of the transactions that you've ever had in your business. This is a hidden gem among all the things that Google provides to business owners. This is one that you do not want to miss. We're going to be doing this on Monday, September 11th. It's going to start at 11 a.m. and go to 1 p.m. On-site lunch is included, so you want to RSVP to secure your spot, but also secure your lunch. Register now, and I will see you guys very, very soon on September 11th. Thanks.